If you know what this is. If you know what this is. Huh?
I have no idea. Hi guys, if you like our content, our videos, don't forget to hit subscribe button. Follow us for more about car keys and vehicle security.
Maris, we have this Toyota Proace here, and I want to start by asking you if you know what this is. If you know what this is. Huh?
I have no idea.
If you know what this is, drop me a comment, but then tell me what we're going to do to this Proace.
Oh, this Proace
In the
meantime, we're going to do security locks.
So let's see, nothing at the moment on it.
Yeah, the van doesn't have anything. It doesn't have any locks, no protection. Probably
It's
just
brand
a
new to the
standard.
customer.
Yeah, just a standard features from the factory.
Yeah.
No locks on the back. So he came in for security locks.
What else?
External shields.
What else?
And obviously alarm.
Perfect.
So he got the full package. He knows what he wants.
We are about to transform this.
Yes, yeah. So probably later today,
okay,
we'll be ready.
What are we waiting for?
We have another one. No, the technician will start doing the locks first, and then once the locks are done, then we can continue with the alarm system.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm just checking something. See, this one goes in deadlock if you press twice the lock button. Did you know that? So
I know some of the vans, if you double click the lock button, it goes in the deadlock. A lot of drivers, they don't know this feature.
They don't know. Very important.
Yeah.
Let's crack on. In the meantime, try to think about what this is.
What is this?
Think about it. Let's do the security.
Let's see if you know, please drop a comment.
Let's crack on.
Yeah, crack on.
Do you like what you see? There's more to it. Come here.
Subscribe. Follow us for more videos about vehicle security.
Keep close.
Car keys.